Hello students, I hope you are practicing maths because practice is very much important. And this is a very crucial chapter, very vital chapter, ratio proportion. That's why I am giving some videos on this very topic. See here, a two-wheeler requires 5 liters of petrol to cover 200 kilometers. How many liters of petrol is required to cover 80 kilometers? You can solve it by two methods. One is ratio proportion and another one is unitary method. Then let's solve it. Let X liters of petrol is required. X liter of petrol is required to cover 80 kilometer distance. Okay. Now, what is given in the question? Information given in the question is 5 liters of petrol is required to cover 200 kilometers. And we assume that X liter of petrol is required to cover 80 kilometer distance. Okay. So we can make it like this. Therefore, 5 liter by 200. Ratio is 5 by 200 is equal to what we assumed, X liter by 80 kilometer. So cross multiplication, all of you have done it. 200 into X, 5 into 80. So X, we are to find X. 200 is multiplied with X, so it will go this side by dividing. Here it is multiplied, here it will divide the 5 and 20. Concept of cross multiplication. 80 divided by 200. X is equal to 5 80s are 400. 200 2 kilometer. Okay, now we will solve it in unitary method. What is the information given you? Always you will check the what are the information given in the question. 5 liters of petrol cover 200 kilometer. How many liters of petrol is required to 80 kilometer? What is the thing we are to find out? That is petrol. So we will write like this. Okay, this is the alternative method. In unitary method we can solve it. 5 liters of petrol to cover 200 kilometer. 200 kilometer requires petrol is equal to 5 liters. They are unitary method. By getting the information about 1, we can answer anything. 1 kilometer requires petrol 5 by 200. Very important unitary method is. Therefore, 80 kilometer requires petrol is equal to 5 by 200 into 80. 400, 580s are 400 divided by 200. Siemens 2 liters. Okay, this is the question.